Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are perfectly fine and doing your studies at your home. Students, this is Saumitri Yadav, assistant teacher of Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Students, I am here with a new online video class in which we will discuss some exercise of chapter 10, which is articles. So on the screen you can see our exercise. So what is in this question is read this passage and fill in the missing words. So students, in this exercise you have given a passage and you have to fill the missing words. And students, let me tell you one thing, that you have to fill articles in this passage. In the live video class I have told you about the articles. What are articles? A, an, and the are articles. A and an both are indefinite article and the is definite article. So let's start reading this passage and then we will fill the missing words. Once upon blank time. So you will fill here a. In blank house of a rich family lived blank family of rats. So you will fill here the. You will fill here a family of rats. Blank eldest and blank wisest member of the family was Grandpa Rat. So you will fill here the and you will fill here the. Then there were Mr. Rat and Mrs. Rat and three young brats, which are Minnie, Mousie, and Ratty. The blank family got sick of their activities and wanted to get rid of them. So you will fill here the. So they bought blank enormous cat. An enormous cat. Every time blank member of the rat family tried to get out of their little hole, blank cat pounced on him or her. They had to run with all their might to escape. So in both blanks you will fill here the. Next, Minnie the brat said, Look at all of us. We have become so thin. Blank cat doesn't allow us to eat anything. This way we will die very soon. So you will fill here the. The cat doesn't allow us to eat anything. This way we will die very soon. Now this was the exercise. Now let's move to the next exercise of this chapter, which is fill in the blanks with a or an. First, Aladdin had blank magical lamp. So you will fill here a. Next, French is not blank easy language to learn. So in the second you will fill here an. Now the third question is, we visited blank new mall in our colony. So you will fill here a. The client came blank hour late for the meeting. You will fill here an. Tarun made blank omelette with blank egg and blank tomato. So you will fill here an. You will fill here an and you will fill here a. Tarun made an omelette with an egg and a tomato. Now the sixth question is, I found blank empty box in the corner of blank room. First blank you will fill here an and in the second blank you will fill here a. Ranjit went to blank shop to buy blank umbrella for himself and blank raincoat for his sister. So you will fill here a, you will fill here an and you will fill here a. When I went for blank walk in the evening, I saw blank old man sitting on blank bench beside the lake. So you will fill here a, you will fill here an and you will fill here the. I had blank banana blank orange and blank sandwich for breakfast. So in the first blank you will fill here a, in the second blank you will fill here an, and next blank you will fill here a. We came back to Kolkata after blank enjoyable trip. So you will fill here an. Now moving to the next exercise, which is practice. Question number is read the paragraph, fill in the blanks with missing articles, put a cross in case no article is required. So firstly students, we will read this paragraph. After that we will fill the blanks with the missing articles. Paragraph is there lived in blank city of Lucknow. So you will fill here the blank teacher who taught art. A teacher who taught art. The blank art teacher believed that not much could be learned by sitting in blank classroom. So in the first blank you will fill the, in the second blank you will fill the. There lived in the city of Lucknow a teacher who taught art. The art teacher believed that not much could be learned by sitting in the classroom. So she often took blank students blank outdoors. So you will fill here the, then you will fill here an outdoors. Nature she felt would inspire blank students to paint something unique. So you will fill here the, to paint something unique. However, this you will not fill anything. Okay, you will close here time she had blank different idea. So you will fill here a. Blank idea would require some planning. So you will fill here the. Okay. She went to blank principal's office. You will fill here the, and asked if she could take the students to the Museum of Art. Okay. Now next question, question number B is complete these sentences with a, an or the. Put a cross in case no article is required. First is blank man is mortal. The man is mortal. Now the next is gold is blank precious metal. So gold is a precious metal. Blank baby is laying in blank cradle. The baby is laying in a cradle. I like to watch blank football. I like to watch the football. Ashoka was blank honest king. Ashoka was an honest king. I am fond of blank classical music. I fond of the classical music. I met blank boy at blank store. I met a boy at the store. This is blank institution for blind. This is an institution for the blind. Blank camel is blank ship of blank desert. So the camel is a ship of the desert. Blank Ganges is blank sacred river. So the Ganges is a sacred river. Now the question number C is the article used in this sentence are incorrect. Rewrite the sentence using the correct articles. So in this questions, students, article is given in correct manner. You have to cross it and you have to write the right article. So first is father went to a college to meet a principal. Students, a is wrong. You will fill here the. You will write here the. I saw a old man sitting under a oak tree. So students, you will cut a and you will write here an. A oak tree. You will cut here a and you will write here an. Please get me an glass of orange juice. So you will cut an and you will write here a. A nearest shop doesn't sell cold drinks. So students, you will cut a and you will write here the nearest. There is the wall around a school campus. So students, you will cut the you will write here a, and in there is you will cut a and you will write here the. A student clapped after an performance was over. So you will cut a and you will write here the. Thus audience clapped after. You will cut an and you will write here the. The performance was over. Seventh is my friend is a captain of the school cricket team. So my friend is, you will cut a and you will write here the. My friend is the captain of the school cricket team. Next is Ravi, a school captain, is quite a intelligent child. So students, a is wrong and you will write here an. A children liked a story that their teacher told them. Students, you will cut a and you will write here the. A, you will cut here a and you will write here the. So answer is the children liked the story that their teachers told them. 10th is I had to open an umbrella I was carrying as it was raining heavily. So students, you will cut an and you will write here the. Now the next question, question number D. These sentences are written without any articles. Rewrite these sentences after inserting the articles in correct place. One has been done for you. Students, these sentences from 1st to 10 are given without article. So you have to rewrite these sentences after inserting the articles in the correct places. So first has been done for you. First is I am not sure if bank will be open today. Answer is I am not sure if the bank will be open today. The is missing in the question. So come to the second. My mother bought 2.5 kilos of potatoes. So students, after of you will write here the. So answer is my mother bought 2.5 kilos of the potatoes. Now third is police arrested gang of thieves. So after arrested you will write here the. Police arrested the gang of thieves. Fourth, teacher told children not to make a noise. So before teacher and before children you will add the. Okay, the teacher told the children not to make a noise. Fifth is Rishabh is most obedient child in class. So before most you will write here the. So answer is Rishabh is the most obedient child in class. Next is what beautiful exhibition it was. So answer is what a beautiful exhibition it was. Next, seventh is Red Fort was built by Shah Jahan. So before Red Fort you will write here the. The Red Fort was built by Shah Jahan. Eighth, Mohit will come back in hour. So answer is Mohit will come back in an hour. I found 100 rupee note on the road. So before 100 you will write here a. Answer is I found 100 rupee note on the road. Next, 10th is he has MBA degree from University of California. So answer is he has an MBA degree from the University of California. So students, that's it for today's. You will write all this exercise in your book and as well as in your fear copy. Goodbye everyone.